Good day, students. I hope you're all well and safe during this week, and welcome to the online drum lessons for this week. It's interesting times again. We have done this last year with the lockdown. For some of you, this is new, but we're going to try to make the best of it. How this is going to work is I've made 9 songs, which is a lot. Most of you have only done the one so far, which is either Another One Bites the Dust or Jump or your first exam song. I've made a cover of each song with the drum notes provided. As you can see on every thumbnail, there's a little slot at the bottom with the drum notes, which is awesome. You can watch the video, listen to the drums, see me play, and actually practice along. So this lesson will be a breakdown of the song. We'll go through every bar live. I hope the light is good. I don't have the best setup here, but it's fun. Feels like I'm reading the news. Anyway, we're going to go through each song individually, every bar. I'm going to explain a few difficult fills, or if there's something about the song you need to know. But yeah, that is that. So first watch this video, and then if you have everything under control and you can play the little parts, then you move to the second video, which is the song. You just go to my channel and say, for instance, press on Alive, Trinity Rock and Pop, and then you play along with the song and see how you perform. You are more than welcome to send me videos or WhatsApp me if you have any questions. But yeah, very simple. If you're done with your song and you can do everything in that song perfectly, you can move on to any song next you want. You can either do an easier song, like say for instance, if you're already done with Another One Bites the Dust, you can do Seven Nation Army. Or if you want to go a bit higher, you can try Are You Gonna Go My Way or Come Together. There's a lot of exam songs, but we're gonna do all of them eventually. So you can choose one if you're done with your song and get started with it as well. And you can just let me know on the next lesson. But yeah, enjoy the lesson and enjoy the playthrough. I hope to hear from you soon. Alright, Another One Bites the Dust. Very easy song. Some of you have completed this song and some of you haven't even started with it. So for those who have the music, you can play to it as well. And those who don't, or the page, those who don't, is not a big problem, because luckily we have the notes on the video as well. So we're gonna go through this bar for bar for the during the whole song or through the whole song, and then if we're done, you can go and practice with the cover. You can just search for the cover on my channel. Another One Bites the Dust, Trinity Rock and Pop Drums Grade 1. That is the title. Luckily there's a few videos and all of the latest one has the same thumbnail, so you can just look for the picture and the name Another One Bites the Dust, and then you will have it. Okay, so let's talk through this one. Very easy. The first 15 bars have the normal beat. Kick, snare, with 8th note hi-hats in between. So just a normal rock beat we have know and played for a while now. So yeah, without further ado, let's do this. If you have the page, remember the top line is repeated twice. Then the second line is just played normally. Third line is played normally until bar number 4. Then we get the first fill. So we're going to work through it now until bar number 16. So let's have a look. So here's the intro. 4. Then again 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we go to the verse. Next line. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we go to the full. I hope it's in there. Okay, we have to. Let's watch that piece again. Are you ready? Hey, are you ready for this? Are you hanging on the edge of your seat? Out of the door where the bullets. Alright. They record it. So now we get to our first fill. Very easy fill. There is a lot of notes, but only 2 drums used. So for the first 1, 2, 10 notes, it's on the snare drum, and the final two are on tom 3 or floor tom with the right hand. Everything is right, left. So when you play it, it's going to be right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. So for this one, the first two notes is connected with one line. It's a bit cut off here on the TV, but you can see the difference. One line, two lines, one line again. So that means this is 8th notes and this is 16th notes. 8th notes is used in the hi-hat as well. That's how we know the speed. If you have done this part already, you can skip the song, or you can go to the cover song and play with. But this is for those who have not yet learned that this speed and this speed is the same. So if you play on the hi-hat with this, then pam pam, the first two snares is going to be that speed. In this case, it's nice and quick. Dun, dun, dun. So this is the speed of the 8th notes on the hi-hat. So that is the speed with the first. Then it's 4 quick notes, and then 2 at the floor tom. So all things to remember here is the first 10 notes is on the snare, or the first 3 groups. So I see this as a grouping: group 1, group 2, group 3, and group 4. First 3 groups on the snare, and the last one is on the floor tom. Let's have a listen. How was that? So nice and quick. Let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we move on. And now we have our next fill. So it's kick, snare with 4 hi-hats. So in other words, the half of the bar, 1 and 2 and. 3 and is going to be 2 snares. 4 E, 2 snares again, that is 16th notes. And then 1 on that shelf, meaning the high tom or tom 1. So this fill sounds like this, the rhythm. So 2 notes with 1 line connecting them. So it's 8th notes, 1 and, then it's 2 notes with 2, and then the last one with 1 again, so it's nice and quick. So the first 2, and the second 3, and then you just put it on snare, 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 tom. Everything is going to be right, left, right, left. So no funny hands there, nice straight and forward, and it's going to be right on 3. So there where you want to play the kick normally, there's going to be the fill. Let's take it a bit back and listen to it. There it comes. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's how that one sounds. Then 2 short fills on each other. The first one, snare, snare, snare. So right, right, left. This is the only fill I want you to play with: right, right, left. The rest is right, left, right, left, right, left, alternating, or alternate hands, which is easy. But for this one, I want right, right, left, because the 8th notes on the hi-hat and the 8th notes on the snare is exactly the same. So you can play it with one hand by only going from the hi-hat 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and, because it's going to switch on 4. Then you add the final 16th shot with your left hand. Then it's very easy to do this. That's how it sounds. Ta ta ta. Right, right, left. Then it can go immediately to the next hi-hat, the right hand. So let's return a bit. And then listen to it. That's the second fill. 1, 2, 3. You see, it's nice and quick. Pa, pa, pa. So right, right, left. That's the only fill I want with weird hands. Then the next one, very easy. 2 quarter notes, meaning it's on the click. Right, left. Then 2 8th notes, right, left, which is a bit quicker. And then 4 16th notes, right, left, right, left. So this one will go, and I want you to look with your eyes there where you hit. You don't necessarily have to look at the dots, but look at the groupings, like group 1, 2, 3, 4. That's how I read bars or fills, and that's how you will be able to do it as well in the near future. If you can do it already, well done. So this one's going to be right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. It's going to go from slow to quick. Let's have a listen. Another one bites the dust. Again. One gone and another one gone. Another one bites the short one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Another one bites the dust. Then we just play for 3 bars again. And now listen. That's the final fill. Da 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 da. Okay, so this stuff is a bit in your way now. 2 eighth notes, 1 and, then an eighth note again, followed by 2 sixteenths. So this rhythm is gonna go right, left, right, right, left. Because remember, with this fill in the beginning, I don't know if you can see there, we did right, right, left. So it's exactly the same fill, it just have 2 more snares before it, or in front of it. So it's gonna go right, left, right, right, left. So that is the whole song. Very easy. Alternating fills with the hands, right, left, except the 2. The last one, right, left, right, left. And then that middle one, that quick one, is going to go right, left. That's the only 2 funny business beats or fills with this song. The rest is groove, no crashes, only hi-hats. Very straightforward. So now you can go to the cover song and play it over and over again. You can even make the video a bit slower. I don't know if you're watching this on a TV or on a cell phone. Each one has something different, but they all have a function where you can do the video speed and do it slower. Then you can play the whole song super slow, normal, or if you want to, you can do it even pretty quickly. So yeah, enjoy. If you can play this song, you can move on to the next. See which one you like, and then you can watch the explanation video of that one to see how I go into detail. Enjoy!